Issue: bidder collusion. Whether the 4 identical bids submitted by lottery distributors constituted bid rigging and collusion, thereby violating Section 3(1) of the Competition Act. Abuse of dominant position. Did Mizoram state abuse its dominance as a lottery administrator by imposing high security deposits and advance payments, breaching Section 4 of the Competition Act? Rule: Section 3(1) of the Competition Act prohibits anti-competitive agreements, including bid rigging and cartels, which have an appreciable adverse effect on competition. Section 4 of the Competition Act prohibits enterprises in a dominant position from abusing their position. Jurisdiction of the Competition Commission of India, CCI. Whether the CCI has jurisdiction over lottery businesses regulated by state governments. Application: bidder collusion. The identical bids raise suspicion of collusion, but further investigation is needed to confirm anti-competitive intent and appreciable adverse effect. Abuse of dominant position. The high financial requirements could be considered an abuse of dominant position if they unfairly disadvantage competitors and restrict market entry. Jurisdiction of CCI. The Supreme Court confirmed the CCI's jurisdiction over anti-competitive practices in the lottery sector, even if regulated by states. Conclusion: 1. Bidder collusion. The High Court stayed the CCI's final order pending investigation and further proceedings. The outcome depends on evidence of collusion's impact on competition. The CCI dropped the accusation against the state due to its non-enterprise status, but the Supreme Court acknowledged potential abuse if proven. 3. Jurisdiction of CCI. The Supreme Court established the CCI's jurisdiction over anti-competitive practices in the lottery sector, regardless of state regulation. Additional notes. The case highlights the tension between state regulation and competition law in India. The outcome of the investigation and further proceedings will determine the final conclusions on both issues.